I guess.
There's still one stuck there. That's driving me crazy.
Adieu.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I don't know if it doesn't want to mark that card going to be buried. Oh my god, that card might not come off. Oh, there we go.
Well, we still have each other. Shall we press on?
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Stop, don't come back.
Alright, I've used all my tokens. I'm waiting for Abby to get back to refill my card.
Give me the toothpick.
Alright, so I gotta get the medal. So see where it spins around? We want the one that says golden ticket, and that's the only way a golden ticket drops. That's over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Because you have to have a golden ticket. Alright, now it's gonna spin. We want a golden ticket. And then one of my cards that dropped is stuck up there. Do you see it? They shoot out there. See, so it's gonna hit that card and then come through.
It's your husband's life or your case of Wonka.
I just don't know why that one
How long
won't
will
fall.
you think it'll?
No, I'm saying this one that is stuck.
That's the squirrel girl.
Come on! Oh!
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. The journey is over.
Alright, I should have 3. Oh, no. Did it get stuck?
It's okay. It'll come.
Just reach in and it'll come down.
Oh, wait.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Is there a bump in there? Yes.
Are you keeping the coins too?
Yeah, because you can't really, there's nothing else to do with them.
Where are your cards at?
I can just put it in my pocket if you're leaving.
No, I'm just getting them.
Oh.
No!
Okay. Alright, now I gotta call the hotline. So you don't think any more people are hiding ducks?
We've already searched them, unless they hide them in the morning. It's midnight. All the hot tubs are closed early, like all the pools are closed early. The only thing, the pizza's open, that's about it. The froyo machine, it's all empty.
The pizza closes at midnight. Oh my god, look at that.
It's whatever.
Shaka, really?
But it has to hit it right. There we go. I was like, how unlucky can I Alright, golden ticket, come on. No.
Now it's time to say goodbye.
Oh, it's done.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate,
in case it
please.
breaks again.
You have to
I'd
do,
like a bar of chocolate,
you
please.
do 60 at a time to get the most use out of your whatever tokens.
So upset the ropes closed with
Did you ever get a chance to ask someone why that did not open back up?
I hope you enjoyed yourself. Excuse me for not showing you out. Straight up the stairs. You'll find a way in.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
So one swipe you get 10, but if you do them consecutive, that's when it goes to like 12 more instead of just 10 more.
always goes wrong when we come to the dessert. Always.
Who's Arthur Slack's work?
He tries to. He's secretly working for Willy Wonka. He tries to bribe the kid, telling him like he'll give him money for the everlasting gobstopper, but he's really just checking to see if the kid will sell Willy Wonka out or not. Oh, did you see that?
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
It's gonna drop a golden
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Did you
I'd
see
like
how
a bar of
excited I
chocolate,
got?
please. I'd like a bar of
Did you
chocolate,
see how
please.
excited I got for a minute?
I got an itch and I can't reach it.